Hello, today I will demonstrate setting up VS Code for complete beginners. First, download VS Code. Double-click to initiate VS Code. You can set up Copilot for free. Click it. It will take you to GitHub page. You will need a GitHub account for this. Now login completed. Click extension icon on the side. Type in Python or other languages. Click install. Now it's completed. Click the top right icon to show your terminal. You can navigate the files as usual by clicking File, New File, then Save as a .py file at where you'd like to save it, just like when you create and save a Word document. You can also try to do these in your terminal using command lines. ls means list, to list out what are in current path or folder. cd means change directory to. You can create a new folder using make directory. In here, I've created a folder named demo, and when I do ls again, we can see there are two folders listed. Now I'd like to go into the new folder using cd demo and create a demo1.py file using command code followed by the file name. So let's write our hello world. I'd like to try to run it in the terminal too. Notice that it didn't let me run the first time, but let me run the second time when I use Python 3 instead of Python. This is because the Python interpreter we are using is Python 3. So if Python 3 doesn't work, you can check what's your Python interpreter and adapt it yourself. New to command lines? Don't worry, you can ask Copilot. Be aware, errors do occur and there might be better way for the same task. Nevertheless, a useful helper right there. Thank you and subscribe for more episodes.